Dear viewers, we're gonna show you how to make a butter chicken Indian style. First of all, we're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice to our chicken to marinate it, and then we're gonna add a little bit of cumin powder, little bit of coriander powder, and little bit of garam masala, and little bit of chilli powder. Now we're gonna mix them very well and leave it for 15-20 minutes. So the spice is going to be infused and the lemon juice is citric acid is start cooking process. Now we put a little bit of oil in a pan and we're going to cook our chicken. My chicken is cooking away. I think we will be very close to take it off. So now we're gonna take it off. Now in the same pan, we're gonna put some onion. We're gonna cook them a little bit, and don't worry because this one, what is taking on the pan is the flavor from the chicken. Basically is the chicken and all the spices been around there. So we want to bring back that flavor back. We need a bit of salt to taste. Little bit of pepper. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. Cook them few minutes. We're going to add some butter to it. And now we're going to add some water to it. We're going to cook them about 15 to 20 minutes until they're soft, lovely and tender. The onions, the tomatoes, they got to be infusing together with. Now we're going to add our garlic ginger paste, cumin, coriander, garam masala, tiny bit of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want sweeter, feel free to add more sugar, but I think is enough for me. Now we're gonna add our cashew nut to it. Well, I mean the cashew nut. Now we're gonna blend the sauce in a blender. We're going to stain them. Put them in put the sauce in the pan. Now we're going to add our chicken. We need more butter to it. And we need to add some cream. Now we're gonna add some methi leaves to it, or you can call it kasturi methi. Look at my sauce, it's bubbling away. The chicken is ready. I think I'm ready to serve my beautiful butter chicken. Wow, I can resist, I can't wait. Oh, look at that, how beautiful it is. We're gonna put our butter chicken, beautiful butter chicken, in a pot. We're gonna decorate it with a little bit of cream. Oh, look at that, how beautiful it looks. Enjoy my delicious butter chicken. Yum, yum. Enjoy.